Yo, G, Dev, think he's got the heat. Spewing words like he can't be beat, but his rhymes are weak, they can't compete. Got him tripping over his own feet. Vander swagging like he's king of the scene. Flexing hard, but his ego's obscene. Acting tough behind that digital screen. I'll shred his bars like a meme machine. Silence the noise, it's just a show. Two puppets on strings, they don't know. Words ain't weapons, they're just for the flow. Battle's done, now it's time to go. G Devitt, man, you ain't got the chops. Stumbling through like you came from the flops. Your lyrics flat like a tire that pops. Face it, man, your career's got stops. Vander thinks he's some kind of big deal, but his rhymes reveal he ain't real. Flexing hard, but he can't steal the crown from those who spit with zeal. Time to end this trash talk here. Fake kings bow, cause the end is near. Dropping words like bombs clear. Diss tracks fade with this last years. Close the chapter, let the silence reign. No more echoes of this petty disdain. Words dissolve in the pouring rain, leaving just the music to sustain. In the shadows where the whispers lie, forgotten voices as time goes by. We let the echoes fade into the sky. While silence reigns, no need to cry. Yeah, the music lit from Betty. SparkZ. Quo, go. Sustain. Close the chapter, let the silence reign. No more echoes of this petty disdain.